Well folks, I went and did it. I bought a car from Copart. Yeah, I bought a car from Copart USA and then I shipped it here to Canada. Would you believe that? I must be nuts. Because I did see one here in Canada, but the money they wanted for it was ridiculous. So I bought an E92. I wanted an E93. Yes, I wanted to even out this stand, but I couldn't find one at a good price because these guys are buying them up on YouTube and then they're just selling them back for crazy money. Because I saw this car when it came up and I missed it the first time. And I just bid on it for the hell of it thinking I won't get it, and I got it. And it's not the one I really wanted, but I figured the bastard wasn't gonna turn it down. But now I know why he didn't turn on the offer, because I think he got more than what he deserved. But hey, it's a project and it's gonna be a project. Oh boy, is it ever. This is my new project and it's not gonna be a quick one like I said. This is gonna take a while because it's gonna be one of a kind. I'm in no rush to get it done, so don't expect to see a video every few days on it because I'm not building this in a rush. This is not something I want to get up and running right away. But the guy who had it before had some crazy ass wing on here. I don't know why, it looks like crap. This is the original thing, but this thing is just thin as hell, man. Look at this. So that's coming off. As you can see, this thing is disgusting. I should have washed it, but when it got delivered, I wasn't here. So all that's gonna be fixed. I already take the window trim off because you know a lot of stuff has to be fixed. There was a broken clip here, and it was sticking out. All these stickers gotta go, obviously, and especially this stupid ass carbon fiber one on here. It just looks like crap. I don't know why you would put this on here. The car doesn't have a pillar. Why are you trying to make a fake pillar? I don't know why. Carbon fiber roof, which needs some loving. And these down here sounds like crap. I don't know what he did to it. And the wheels, as you can see, there's a big chunk of tire missing. Both front tires are messed up. I think both rims are bent, I'm not sure. I'm gonna send them out to get redone. Front bumper, I'm gonna get a new front bumper. The hood, that's the only thing wrong with the hood there, but the bumper is kind of messed up. And I'm gonna see which bump, I don't know what bumper I wanna get yet. You guys can give me, I'm gonna put up a picture and you guys can tell me what you think of it. And you know, just let me know in the comments. That's pretty much it for the outside. And the inside is your typical M3, which is not gonna be stained like this. Yeah, you got that blue stuff over there which gotta go. A lot of this is gonna be carbon fiber. I don't know if I'm gonna do the honeycomb or just the regular one. I'm gonna change out the roof to Alcantara roof. The seats are gonna be dyed front and back, and I'm gonna be changing the front seats. So I said it's gonna be a long-term project. And there's a hole here that we have to fix. The piece is inside, so thank God I don't have to buy a new fender because this thing is like crazy money. But once you fix that, you will never know. Once Frank fixed that, you'll never know. Now under the hood. Right, so one of the main problem is if you look right here, you can see it's cracked. There's another crack right here from the radiator support, so I'm gonna change it. I probably could fix it, but I'm just gonna change it. One tab for the headlight is broken. I'm gonna, there's a repair kit for that you can actually buy. I sourced a lot of these parts out already. You got this, and you're gonna need a nice polish, and I might, I don't know, take it apart, do something with it. But it is bone dry in there. Don't ask me why. And this hose is missing right here. And this is part of the AC. I don't know why it's separated. But this is what happens when you buy shit from Copart. You don't know what the hell you get. That's pretty much it for there. I'm gonna go underneath and show you what else is wrong with it. After I took the skid plate off, as you can see, everything in here is protected. You can tell where it, you can see on the axle, the tie rod there, how it's creeped there. Everything else was protected. He has an upgraded H&R sway bar under there. So all that was protected, but you can see the exhaust, the catalytic converter there got damaged. Who cares? And now look at that. All these wires were just pushed up there and tied up with tire wrap. Everything was unplugged. Look at all these plugs. These were unplugged. The O2 sensor was unplugged. this line has a kink in it, so I guess they try to fix it, I don't know. But as you can see, the whole pan there is all greasy. It got I think right here got broken, so this is where the pipe goes up here. So I ordered a set of pipe to go on there, then all the cats are plugged out. I gotta plug that back in, but so far that seems to be the extent of the damage. And then on the tires, you can see the tire is no good, and the controller arm here was rubbed hard, so I don't know if I'm gonna have to change that one, but we will see. And this rim here, let me get the light. It has right there some rash, but I think it's bent. I remember seeing somewhere on it where it's bent. Other damage is just right on the frame here. This is nothing big, it's just a little dent. Don't have to worry about it. I'm just gonna clean it up and put back some paint on there. And the other side, the whole heat shield that covers the power wire and everything. And you see this side, you can see all can't see nothing, there you go. All this black stuff is missing from that side. I ordered those too. And then I'm just gonna service it, and I have to buy a lot of bolts because a lot of freaking bolts are missing. And you know, BMW can rack those up for you. I think back here he did some form of, whoop, got stuck. It did some form of I think resonator delete there. That's gonna be cut out anyway, all the way. Oh, this thing's really gonna be loud when I'm done cutting shit out of here. Oh boy. Yeah, so there you can see where the heat shield got ripped up. No big deal. And I'm gonna cover everything back up. I think the heat shield from over the exhaust is missing too. So when I drop the exhaust, I will deal with that. And that's pretty much the major damage. So once I get all this sorted out, then I have to get it started. Now that you guys see what has to be done, it's gonna take me a little bit because I still got some stuff I'm doing in the backyard. I'm building a deck, and it takes a while because, you know, custom made, you know, every time you reach in the middle you decide to change something. So I'm working on that because, you know, summer's coming up and I have to spend some time with the little one in the backyard because she likes to run and I don't want to run in on the front and run out in the street. So I gotta get it back done so she and the wife can spend some time back there. But I still have this. The bike is almost done. I'm waiting on one part which is supposed to come in on Friday, but you gotta stay tuned for more because I got this. I still have the M5 to work on, the X. Why am I even, I'm not even gonna think about the amount of work I have to do. Too much work, not enough time. But this is gonna be a crazy build. If you guys stick around, I guarantee you'll love it because I got some things in mind. It just takes money. So remember guys, like I said, all my parts are gonna come from ECS for this thing. So whenever you see me do a video and I put up the ECS link, if you want anything for your cars, just click on the link and it will help support my channel, and then I can, you know, buy more mods for this a lot faster. But I can't wait to jump in this thing, but first I gotta jump in the backyard. So, you like what you see? Let me know what you guys think about that front bumper. I like it. It's something different. I don't know. I can't make up my mind yet. So, you guys let me know what you think, and just shoot me a comment. Let me know what you think, or if you have any suggestions. But that's gonna be it for now. So, you know, do what you do. Thumbs up, like, share. I know I've been away for a while, but I'm back now. That's it for now. Laters.
Desce, desce, vai até o chão. Sobe, empina a tabaca pros faixa. Oi, pros faixa. Desce, desce, vai até o chão. Sobe, empina a tabaca pros faixa. Oi, pros faixa.